Hi there, I'm Michael Coleman, and today I'm here with a lot of abandoned vintage Jaguars. Look at that, that is a Daimler and Daimlers. I love these ones. To me, this is the mother lode, because some of these I really do love. I mean, look at this. Obviously very poor condition. This has been parked here for a long time. Lovely leather interior. Look at that steering wheel. Wow. Look, there we go. And some Mercedes as well. And also, there's a Jensen there. Jensen Healey. I'll do another video on that. But look, this is the very rare two-door coupe version. Look, it's been here for years. It's a Daimler. Have a look. The interior looks very good from what I can see. But yeah, look at that. And if you love those coupe ones like I do, there's a few of them as well. This is amazing. What I find, there's this. I love these. Jaguar, Daimler. Look at that. There's no interior in there. Oh look, it's an unusual one. That's a Jaguar 3.8 S. That is a stripped Jaguar. But oh my god, what do we have over here? God, look. Over here, I'll tell you what we have. We have a Daimler Vanden Plas 1.2, but we also have, look, a coupe Daimler. Wow, these are so rare as well. The interior looks fantastic. Leather. Wow. And this looks, well, obviously not too, I love these. But look, oh look, that Jaguar's got wire wheels. The other one, look. Oh my god, look at that, look at the back of that. Red leather. I think it's got long wheelbase. Individual seats. Oh man, that is stunning. But look, we've got wire wheels. Wire wheels there. God. This is truly amazing. Truly, truly amazing. I love it. Anyway, I hope you found that interesting. And oh,